Race Alliance Wales is an organisation of a number of different groups who are working towards anti-racism. And today was our launch. We're sponsored by Jane Hutt, the Deputy First Minister, and we're at the Senedd here where the seat of power can listen to us.
The Wales I'd like to see is a Wales where everybody's contribution is valued, where difference is seen to be positive, and where diversity underpins everything that we offer in Wales.
I'd really like to see a Wales which really celebrates and recognises and values the diverse people that live in it, who have come to live in it in the past and who will come in the future.
The Wales I'd like to see is one that's representative of all communities, of all people, no matter where you're from, your ability, your sexual orientation, to make sure that you can do what you want and what's important to you as you grow older.
The Wales I want is where people from different background, heritage, cultures are celebrated and given every chance to succeed here in Wales.
I think the Wales I'd like to see is more equality, more opportunity socially around, more people of colour into situations, giving advice, especially in schools and all that.
I'd like to see a Wales where we generally have a warm welcome for absolutely everybody, where diversity is valued and celebrated, and where everybody feels involved and capable of expressing themselves and meeting their best potential.
I'd like to see a Wales where everybody lives in harmony, but also in harmony with the environment.
The Wales I would like to see is a Wales where celebration takes place of everybody's culture. The Wales I would also like to see is that I'm not judged by the colour of my skin, and there's equality for all, that everybody's got a chance to succeed in life, regardless of class.
Yeah, I'd like to see a Wales where people from all over the world have come here are celebrated, and we understand the value of that, and we champion all those things that have been brought to Wales from other countries.
I think, as a lot of the speakers said, a Wales that celebrates difference and brings that together to create a stronger, welcoming nation for our children.
The Wales I'd like to see is one where everyone, regardless of their social background, their heritage, their religion, are able to live their life in a way that is able to meet their full potential. And I'd like to live in a society in an absence of hate. That's the kind of Wales I want to see.